Hi guys, I'm Tyne, and in today's video I'm making a tut of eye with Gacha. First, I will take out the mouth and the eyebrow, then the shadow of the eye. Don't forget to take out the shadow of the pupils and of the sclera. Let's add some light to our eyes. Set transparency to 50. Now let's make the shadow. Click on Multiply. Make for layers and all with Multiply. Make sure all shadows are the same color. Delete the excess. Join the layers and set the transparency to 64. Erase the shadow at the colored part. Now at a new layer put Multiply and make the same thing from the other shadow put with the color of the eye. Make sure the new shadow is synchronized with the sclera shadow. Join the layers. Delete the excess. And set the transparency to 64. Create a new layer. Set the layer as Add. With the same color, we use the ink pen hard tool. Don't forget to put in Force Fade. Set transparency to 44. On a new layer, use the pen fade. Put on Add and set the transparency to 50. Now let's add the lashes. Use the ink pen hard in black. Now at the up lash, use the same color of the light from the eye. Add some white light. Venus. For the mouth, use a darker color from your character's skin. Use the airbrush normal. With the same color of the mouth, add some shadow for your face. Use with the eraser the airbrush normal to make the nose. Put the two layers of light of the eye at the front layers. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks.